Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, for our school song, we have a bit of a change up. So raise your hand if you remember when my sister-in-law Jackie visited and she had a baby in her belly. Okay, now remember that the baby in her belly was born and his name was Mac. So Jackie recorded Mac singing the theme song. All right, let's take a look. You ready? Whoa. Let's not stretch him out that much. Oh my goodness. All right, ready?
A green and white, 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 and green and white, and green and white, and green and white. Warndorfer School, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warndorfer School. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 and green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. Warndorfer School, the greatest school. Warndorfer School, the greatest school. Warndorfer School, the greatest school. Warndorfer School, the greatest school.
He even had his green and white on and a bear as our mascot. Thank you, Mac, for singing our school theme song for us. Now let's take a look at today's plan. Alrighty, so as always, we are going to watch our morning meeting and do our daily check-in. You can feel free to check out the class Flipgrid if you would like. Thursday today, there is no video, so you're kind of using the skills to complete Box Office Day 4 that you've learned from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to show me what you know for comparing fractions. For language arts, we have Miss Howarth's video here, and she's going to kind of tell you how to fill in the bullets of your subtopics. So some of you guys have been doing a really nice job. Some of you guys did not complete the Google Doc, so you're going to need to do all of that today. So you're continuing to research your animal and fill in notes on your subtopics on your Research Club organizer. So that is what you're focusing on today, focusing on the bullets of your Research Club organizer. And then you can also listen to Winn-Dixie. Remember, that has to be done by tomorrow. And here are some of your may-dos, okay? Your virtual field trip is to NASA, which is very cool. Back to our morning meeting. Remember to make a Google Doc card for a doctor or a nurse or a custodian or any people who work in the hospital. That is due tomorrow as well, and I will be giving them to a nurse who works at New York Presbyterian, and she will be hanging them in the hospitals to cheer up the staff. And finally, we still only have Ronan's Inventor Scavenger Hunt on Flipgrid, so try to get out there and see what you can make. All right, I hope you have a fabulous day. Work hard and shine bright. Nice job.